Good morning. All right, so April is Poetry Month, and so we're still working on our poems. So far, we've worked on the acrostic poem, the haiku, and then today I want to talk about the shape poem. So remember, we made our circle thinking map. We put poem in the middle, and then we listed the 5 types of poems that we're going to work on. We're going to work on one each week, which will take us through the whole month of April. If you haven't done this yet, now is a good time to make the circle thinking map. And everybody should remember, you don't need to download one. You don't need the internet. You just need a piece of paper, a marker, or a pen, or a pencil, or a crayon, and just make 2 big circles. Just write poem or poems inside, and then you can write the 5 types of poems inside the circle. So it will look like that, and that will be for Poetry Month. So you, just as a quick recap, the first one we did was the acrostic. And that's where you take a word like cat and you write it vertically, C-A-T, and use each letter as the beginning of your line for your poem. So we can say cat. Cats are, I'm going to start with the C, and say they are cuddly and cute. But we could say cuddly and fuzzy, just as long as you have a C here. And then we can say A. They are always ready to play. And then we have the T. So we can say something about the cat's tail. The tail is long and soft. So that's our acrostic poem, cat. Another thing to do is use your name and use each one of those. So I can use Keshner, and that's what I had a video for mine. Or you can do Luz, or Jalen, or Christian, anybody, Adina. Put your name and then describe yourself there. So you can do that. And then now we're going to work on shape poems. So we're going to stick with, oh wait, we have to do the haiku. So the haiku gets its name from Japan. It has 5 syllables, 7 syllables, and 5 syllables. So we'll stay with our cat theme. So we just say 5 syllables. Cats are cute and fun. So that's 5 syllables. Cats are cute and fun. Then we have to do 7 syllables. See how they play with their tails. See how they play with their tails. That's 7. See how they play with their tails. And the last one, want to be a cat? Question mark? Want to be a cat. Want to be a cat. So our haiku is 575. Cats are cute and fun. See how they play with their tails. Want to be a cat? And you can do this with anything, but it should always be about something in nature, and animals are part of nature, sorry. And each line should be about the same thing. So if you want to do about a tree, you can write 3 lines with 5 syllables, 7 syllables, and 5 syllables about a tree. Okay, now we'll come back to our shape poem. So 2 ways to do a shape poem. Number 1, if we're going to stick with our cat, That's my cat. We can draw the cat, and then we can put the poem inside of it. Here's my cat. Here's the tail. So I can put my poem inside. My cat is fast. Watch her run. Where did she go? Nobody knows. Or I can also use these words to make the shape of the cat. So I could use the words to make the whiskers. I could use the words to make the ears. I can use the words to make the eyes. I could use the words to make the body. And I put some examples on the Google Classroom for you. But just real quick, if I just use it to make the whiskers, I'll still make my cat. But I'll write, instead of drawing the whiskers, I'll use the words to make the whiskers. My cat is fast. Watch her run. Where did she go? Nobody knows. So that way the whiskers, the words look like the whiskers. I could put 2 more lines if I wanted to. And so you can do that with any shape. Again, if you want to make a tree or a fish or a whale, anything, you can draw the shape and then put the poem inside. Or, and I put a couple examples on the Google Classroom, you can see you can use the words to make the shape. So have fun, and I'll be looking for your work. Thanks. Have a great day.